All right, good day, everybody. It's Brent Senna here with Redfin. Still over here in Commerce City, trying to shoot as many of these as I can. But new construction over here. This one is just under 575K, move-in ready. They've got quite a few of these down the row here that are ready to go. And this one kind of chose this one. I like kind of the outside and inside here. Got the darker gray with the brick or I guess it's brick, whatever here, concrete. But anywho, move-in ready. Front landscaping's already done, and you can see it's xeriscape, so you've just got all rock here. I guess if you're a lawn guy, I'll find you something else. But for me, yeah, I'm over the yard work. And my bills for water, like everything else, keep going up. But here, front little porch area, very nice. Not too much going on over there. And let's check this thing out. This is 3-bed, I believe 3-bath. Again, move-in ready. And I think I did another video with this same builder. Pretty much the same layout, just in a different location. So again, Commerce City. Their builder and lender offering great incentives, like normal. So you walk in here, bathroom right off to the side. There's no basement here. So just the second floor, but kind of same thing. I feel repetitive and probably is, but open concept. This is the way new homes are. If you're looking for used, let me know too. I'll help you out. Backyard here, decent space. Sits a little bit lower, so you got your neighbors behind there, but they're pretty far off compared to at least some of these ones I've seen where your neighbor's right on top of you. You got a sliding glass door here. And really nice kitchen. Got a pantry here. And then quartz countertops. I don't know if you can see the gray in that. And then the backsplash is almost like a light gray as well too. So it blends really nice. And you got your kitchen island here, deep sink into the garage. It's 2-car, and that lot there is pretty deep. I mean, you could fit any vehicle in there. Tall as well too. I know they're doing a lot of storage in some of these. And let's see, we'll head upstairs here. All right. So you've got a little loft area. Maybe like a sitting room or office or kids place area. What do we got in here? Oh, water heater. This is probably a closet. Yep. Ready. Full bath in here. Oh, they did some of these are doing quartz and some of them they're doing laminate. That one's quartz tub. Got your laundry in here. And second bedroom. Or is this the first? This is the first. First of 3. Second. And your primary. And oh yeah, that's right. There was another, gosh, it's slipping my mind now. This same builder, same design. And I forget where the other one was, probably Brighton, but you've got dual closets. So you've got a closet there. And then right here. And then you've got, ouch, got shocked. The bath here, dual sinks, stand-in closet, stand-in shower, but exact same design. I have to go back and look. Anywho, if you like this floor plan, it's available in different cities, and move-in ready. This thing's ready to go. We're seeing a lot of these builders take offers as well too, or maybe appliance packages. I know some of them have appliances, some don't. So let me know, and we will negotiate the best deal for you. So feel free to reach out. Stay tuned. I'll probably be headed to Erie soon. And yeah, we'll find out. Stay tuned. Thanks.